Hello developers and welcome back. I am sure you are excited to create this amazing application called the grocery application. This application uses Recycler View to display items in a scrollable vertical manner. So we're going to learn about Recycler Views. We're going to create adapters. We're going to create layouts. We're going to learn about Recycler View adapters and how to deal with the methods on create a view holder, on bind a view holder, get item count. Also, we're going to learn about view holders and we're going to learn about this pattern, and we're going to handle the click events on the items of this Recycler View. So it will be a very interesting application we're going to build together.